Hi, this is Erin again. We're going to take a walk on the Pinellas Trail so we can be more healthy. Okay? Right. Running to the Pinellas Trail. There's snakes in here. Alright. This is the Pinellas Trail. See, we have markings here on the road, bikers to the left, walkers and joggers and such to the right. Don't cross that. Now we gotta walk and get some exercise. Here we go. Well, that's enough exercise. Let's go home. Well, that's enough of that Pinellas Trail shit. Time for another cigarette.